Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C31, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle, which for me is right over here. I believe for you it should be roughly in the same place, considering the toggles are in the same location based on language. So all you need to do is tap on it. It brings up this little overlay letting us know that turning on power saving mode will result in turning on dark mode, restricting background activities and visual effects, and things like Hey Google. So let's select turn on, and there we go, it is now enabled. So that is how you can enable your power saving mode, and once you're done with it, let's just find the toggle again, tap on it, and this will turn it off and everything will go back to functioning normally. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.